What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? To watch a tutorial video, And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy Tether in Gate.io. Now, before I show you the way on how you guys can buy Tether in Gate, let me show you guys, or let me tell you guys what Gate.io is, so you guys don't get confused on like what you guys are using to buy Tether. And I'm also going to explain what Tether is, alright? So basically, Gate.io is a crypto exchange. By that I mean it's a place where you guys can buy and sell crypto. If you guys also want to sign up into it, I will leave a referral link which is in the description, which you guys can use to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And yeah, if you guys are curious what Tether is, then basically Tether is a stable cryptocurrency. Now why is it called stable is because its value is never going to go up than $1. It's never going to go below $1. It's going to remain $1 for the entire eternity of your lifetime. So just keep that in mind, alright? Now with that said, if you guys want to buy it in Gate.io, follow the step. First step, go to Gate.io, which is the official website of Gate. Now once you're over here, click on buy crypto. Now these are the actual three ways to buy crypto. The first is credit card. You just link your credit card and buy Tether using that. The other is bank transfer. You transfer your money from your bank and buy Tether using that. And P2P trade means you guys are gonna transfer money to a person's bank account, and that person is gonna give you that much Tether equivalent to the money which you transferred to him into your account. So that's how P2P works. So now let me show you guys how you guys can buy it. So I'm going to use credit card because that's my favorite. You can use whichever option you like, alright? And once you click on credit card, over here where it says BTC, make sure to change it to USDT, alright? Because we want to buy Tether, not Bitcoin. Over here, enter the amount of Tether you want to buy. And over here, you can choose whichever payment method you like. And after you do that, scroll a bit down and click on I've read its terms and service and click on purchase. And on the next page, it's going to ask you to link your credit card. After linking your credit card, basically your Tether will be bought. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand. As you guys can see, this is the page. Link your credit card and just click on next. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.